If it pulls off like this, you know it's going to be good. I love chicken. That's why you'll find so many different marinades on my channel. Start with 2 lemons or limes, squeeze out all the juice, add the spices listed on screen and whisk it all together. Coat the chicken legs really well, make sure every bit gets that spice. Now let it soak in the marinade for about 30 minutes. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. And that's it, spicy, tangy, zero oil chili lime chicken. Simple, flavorful and full of protein.